Hey guys, listen carefully. Do you hear that? Very faint. But can you hear that? Yeah, we're actually getting a windstorm right now. See? You can't notice it that much right now since it's calmed down a bit. But earlier, it was really bad. Here comes another breeze. You can see the tree branches are blowing a little bit. Yeah, you hear that? That's what we've been dealing with all day. Take a look at the artifacts. Here, let me just get up on this table here. Look. A bucket fell down. I don't know what's in that bucket. I bet my parents know, though. Pieces of the fence are also falling off. And look down here. Some chairs fell down. Yep, we've just been dealing with yard damage all day long. There's so many branches down right now. I mean, no kidding. Let's take a look out the other window. Not as many artifacts out here. Oh. See, this is what I'm talking about. You see that? Look, you can see all the leaves blowing. You can see it better from up here since there's no screen. Yeah. It's been horrible. There's a lot of branches down. You can especially see them over here. Those are already there. But, yeah. This is pretty crazy. What's that? What's that red thing down there? Not sure if you can see it on the camera. There it is. I use my camera as my magnifying thing now. Oh, I know what that is. Remember that claw machine video? I want a ball from the claw machine. I actually went over the fence. That's actually it right there. We couldn't find it because it went over in the summertime. But there it is. Just sitting there waiting for me. I'll tell my parents about it. But, yeah, this has just been awful. I just step outside a few times, and it was unbearable. And look, it's so cold compared to yesterday. The high today was 18. Look at all the frost. It was wet on the inside of the window here, too. So that's kind of pathetic. But anyway. Here comes another gust. Maybe I should start a new series called Weird Weather. Just remember that video where, it was raining and then it was sunny? Yeah. So, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching, and peace.